Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I am going to quickly show you how we can delete an S3 bucket. Now this video is part of an AWS quick playlist that is available in my channel, wherein you can find many such interesting videos about quick to-dos in AWS platform. And if you are interested, you can subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can be updated whenever such new video comes into my channel. So let's get started. So I have the S3 console open over here. So I'll quickly go to the general purpose buckets here and I can see my bucket here. Now I want to delete this bucket. So I'm just going to select this bucket, and over here you can see two options. One is empty and one is delete. Now if I go ahead with the delete option, you will see that there would be an warning, there would be an error coming in which is saying that this bucket is not empty and a bucket must be empty before they can be deleted. So this bucket currently have one object over here, and that's the reason we are not able to delete it. So either you can delete this object from here by pressing the delete button, or you have one more easy way in case your bucket has many such objects, right? So you can just select the bucket, you can press empty here, okay, and over here you can just type permanently delete. So this is going to delete all the objects which are present in your bucket permanently. So it's a destructive operation. So I pressed empty and all the objects are now gone. So if I go inside my bucket, you can see that it has no objects anymore. So I'll now go back and I will select the bucket and I will press on delete. So to confirm the deletion, it is asking me to enter the bucket name. So I'll just copy the bucket name here and I'll paste it here and press delete bucket. Cool. So the bucket is successfully deleted from my account now. And if I go back to the dashboard, you can see that there are no buckets currently in my account. So that's about it for this video. In case you are interested for many such videos, you can subscribe to my channel and do like my video, press the bell icon to get updated whenever there is a new video in my channel. Thank you very much.